Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your photo to look a bit more stylish using Gemini's Nano Banana. And as usual, the prompt that I'm about to show you in this video is quite versatile and can be used in any situation. So here's how you can use it. So you can navigate to gemini.google.com, or you can also use Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. So this is another place where you can use Gemini Nano Banana to create a picture. And one great thing about Google AI Studio is you can easily select the aspect ratio of the picture. Right now we don't have this capability on Gemini, so if you really care about the aspect ratio of the picture, then I do recommend using Google AI Studio. But for the rest of this video, I'm going to be using Gemini web interface. So for this demonstration, I'll try to, use the photo of this gentleman. I'm going to copy the photo. And let's paste that into Gemini. Now after that, you can insert this instruction into Gemini, and don't worry, I'm going to put the prompt in the description down below. And there are two things that you can modify. First, if you feel like the subject is just not wearing something that looks cool, then you can specify the clothes or the outfit for the person. You can do it right here. But if you don't include that information, then AI will just use whatever the person is wearing in the final picture. So this is optional. And I guess I want to make this person to wear nice black blazer. Now after that, you can select the color. So this could be the color or the background. It could be a wall, it could be the material. It's really up to you, but I think I'm going to use an orange brick wall. Okay, after that, click tools, click create images, and just send the message. So just wait until it finishes. Well, we got this picture. I think it looks really cool. It is the combination of formal and casual, and I think it looks really good. And of course, if you don't like the result, you can always click this read button to get another variation of the same picture with the same prompt. So again, the full prompt can be found in the description down below. And if you want to get better control for aspect ratio, I do recommend using Google AI Studio. But that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.